So I went over all the light switches and handles and got that paint off the radiator, which was but anyway, some people might want to argue with me that this is not a full deep clean because I didn't change the bed. But guys, please give me a because I managed to get rid of 5 bags of stuff for charity. And as you can see, I can actually walk around the room now. Like I say, the main problem in here is the dust, and honestly, I don't understand how it gets so bad. Because the only human interaction this room gets is me opening the door, launching some stuff in, and closing it behind me. When I was dusting down all the surfaces with my trusty flash dust magnet, I did go over them with the Sif multi-purpose spray. In the interest of me not doxing myself on the internet, because I don't think that would be a wise decision, I didn't show you me cleaning my windows. It was gross. There was black gunk coming off them, probably because we've never cleaned them since we had them fitted in 2024. Just like I've never cleaned. Consist of, yes, you guessed it, clothes. No, it's not clean clothes or washing. It is stuff that I actually need to get round to selling. What on earth is going on behind the scenes in the cupboards and the drawers? I mean, out of sight, out of mind, am I right? I know, I need to change. I've got far too much stuff, otherwise this house really will become overrun. That means that you can currently see I can't get to anything to deep clean. It's the first thing I need to do is actually do some decluttering and tidying away.